Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, we're gonna discuss some of the basic clause of SQL like distinct. Then we would be discussing about how to create and show view. Then we would be using group by, and then some of the aggregate functions like minimum, maximum, count, average, and sum. So you need not to have any pre-installed SQL system or Oracle in your system. Simply you can compile it online also, but since I have, I will just use it. SQL connect system. Every time you enter into this, you have to write this. I will just write the password. Okay. So if you do not have any table, you can create a table by using the command that create table. Whatever the name you want to give, let's say my laptop is of HP, so I will say HP. And then I can say whatever the value I want to say. For example, I want to use a column name. Name will be character followed by the size, whatever size I want to give. Then, okay, if I want to have city, then city, even this will be character. Then salary, this is integer. Let's say 4 digits. Okay. What's the issue? Missing right parentheses. Okay. Let's do not give this. Table create. If you want to insert into this, then you have to use insert command. Insert is one of the data manipulation language command. So you have to use like insert into your table name, that's HP, followed by values, and then you will be writing whatever the name you want to say. For example, Amit, city name Airoli, and salary, since I'm not earning much, I would write 700. Okay. One row created. If you want to see that how exactly your tables looks like, you can use select star from your table name. Table name is HP, semicolon, and you can see this. Since I already have my table, I have already created my table inside the query. So I will just print this select star from my table. My table name was Amit, and this is my table which I had created earlier. Okay. Now, if I want to add something, let's enter something. Insert into Amit values. My city name say what? Airoli, Thane, Mumbai, Nahar, Mulund. Okay, let's go with Nerul again. Why I'm using again, I will show in the next step. Okay. Nerul, let's say my ID is 24. I'm going to show you something more over here. Then my city, oh, okay. Let me use some proper name over here, okay? I do have to, I should use, I am not Pratap, okay. Pratap is all the problem. No issue, it's Pratap. Let's go with this again. 24, comma, city name Nerul again, and payment, whatever you want to insert. Okay. Here you can clearly see what the error is. Unique constraint violated. Why? Because my ID is primary key, and the function of the feature of primary key that it cannot be repeated, because if it gets repeated, then there is nothing like primary key. Okay, so we would be like changing this ID to 29, a random number. Okay, and then let's see one row created. If I just view my table, select star from Ahmed, unknown command. Okay, I have written the wrong spelling. So select star from Ahmed. Okay, let's use something called distinct. Distinct means was whenever you will use distinct keyword, then out of all the duplicate values in the query, only you will see the unique values. Okay. For example, if I say select distinct city, then city names include Airoli, Thane, duplicate, Mumbai, Nahur, Mulund, unique, Nerul, repeated twice. Okay. I won't get these all Thane and Nerul repeating twice. What I will get, let me show you directly. Okay, so select distinct, be aware while writing the spelling. Select distinct what? Distinct. Select distinct city from Amit. Okay. Mumbai, Thane only occurring for only one time. Nahur, Mulund, Airoli and Nerul. Okay, no repetitions. Here also we have Pratap repeated twice. Okay, so if we write here that select distinct name from Amit, we will not get the repeated value. Combining all of them, select distinct name, comma, city from Amit. Let's see whether this is working or not. Yeah, it's working. But let me clear you. Pratap occurring here, Pratap occurring here. Thane, Thane. Why? Because if you are using both distinct statements combined, that's name and city, then every time my one Pratap includes city Nerul, another Pratap include city Mulund. Okay. Then the condition for distinct city is not satisfied. Is satisfied over here. Okay. Because Mulund is a separate city, Nerul is a separate city. So this will return both Mulund and Nerul. And because of this only, I am getting this. Okay. For example, this city name Thane, city name Thane. Fine, fine. If we use district city, we will get only one Thane. But what about name? Amit, another name. Gopal, another name. Names are distinct. Cities are not distinct. But I am selecting both. And hence, I will get both of these combined. Okay. So this was about distinct keyword. Now, let me create a view. View are created just to show different part of data, different part of your table to different user. For example, if I have my table consisting of 4 columns and those 4 columns are name, ID, city and salary. Based on this, I can create 4 views or 2. Let's see if I want to show 4 views to 4 users. I can create a view which will consist of only name, another view consisting of ID. The next two will be consisting of city and salary respectively. Okay. So in this way, I can show the same columns of my own data to 4 different users in 4 different ways. And this is why we use view. So let's create. The syntax for this is create view, view name, let's say ABC. Okay. From me. Okay. Let me give you what it will be doing. As select name, comma, city from Amit. Name is already used because I have used same name earlier, so I will use different name. Plenty of names are available. We can say HP. No, but HP have used. She will say now. Okay, let me use this. Not same. Let's exclude politics over here. Okay, view created. If I create another view, create view, say now as select ID, comma, salary from Amit. Now we have 2 views consisting of 2 columns each. That's one is consisting of city and name, another consists of ID and salary, and both of these 4 are from my own table. If I say select star from Shiv, I won't see all my table. Okay, what I will see only name and city. If I say from Sena, that's my another view name, ID and salary. So this is what view means. I can show the same part, the same means different columns of my same table to 2 different users in 2 different way. Okay, this is what the purpose of view. Let's come back to group by. Group by, the condition for group by is that whenever you are using group by, since the name include group, and hence whatever you want, that table should contain multiple values, because multiple values can be combined together to form a group, and this is the main concept of this. Despite you won't see all the values. Okay, for example, my actual table consists of select star from Amit. This is, if I say select count salary, another thing I forgot to tell you that group by is to be used along with the aggregate functions. Okay, this is the syntax. This is the case, predefined thing. Whenever you are using group by statement, you need to use any aggregate functions with this. So for now, I am using select count salary from my table name Amit, group by say name. Is it working? Yes. 1 1 1 1 2. What 2? Even we know Pratap has been appeared twice. So that count is 2. If I say that group by salary 1 1 1 1 and 2, what is 2? Even you know. This 2 is for twice occurrence of Thane. Okay. This is what about this. Let's use, we are done with distinct, we are done with view, we are done with group by. Let's quickly finish with the aggregate functions. Minimum function. Okay, select min. If you want to find out the least value of your table, your column, okay, then you should use select min and whatever you want to select. Okay, like if I need to select my ID, so I will say select minimum ID from my Amit table. Minimum ID is 4. Yes, it is right. If I want to select minimum salary, I would simply write salary from Amit. Minimum salary 1500. Same is the case with maximum. Only thing you need to update is max. Okay. 7,890. So let's find another thing, that's count. Count is one of the aggregate functions, and the syntax for this is same. The syntax for all the aggregate functions, minimum, maximum, count, average, sum, is exactly same. The only difference is of their name. Okay. So select count salary from my table name Amit. Unknown command. Why? Because one of my common mistake, spelling of select. Select count salary from Amit. Count of salary 8. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's use another sum. Sum salary 36, 66, and 8. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 8 here, 9, 7, that's 68. That's fine. Even we should not compete with the calculation of our system, but then too, it was just for fun. The only thing remaining is average. So select average salary from Amit. 4583.5. Okay. So this was all about distinct aggregate functions, view and group by statements. Thanks for watching. Thank you.